Good day, everyone. I am Nika B. Solitario, and for today, we will going to learn about the alphabet and the corresponding sounds of the letters. Now, let's start. Ready to sing along with me? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. So, those are the alphabets. So now, let's proceed to the different sounds of the letter. Let's go first with letter A. So what is the sound of letter A? The sound of letter A is ah. Ah. A is for ah. Apple. Apple. Now let's proceed to letter B. So what is the sound of letter B? The sound of letter B is b. B. That's it. Now the sound of letter C. What is the sound of letter C? It's k. C is for cut. K, k, cut. And now let's proceed to the next letter, which is letter D. So what is the sound of letter D? The sound of letter D is D. And D is for dog. D is for dog. Let's move on to letter A. The sound of letter A is A. A. Its example is egg. Letter F. So the sound of letter F is frog. Frog. G. What is the sound of letter G? G. 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 G is for goat. G. Goat. How about the sound of letter H? Ha. Ha. H is for ha. Ha. Hand. Hand. Now let's proceed to our next letter, which is letter I. So, what is the sound of letter I? The sound of letter I is A. A. Insect. Insect. Letter J. J as in jar. Ja. 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 Jar. Letter K. K is for king. The next letter is letter L. The sound of letter L is L. 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 Lump. 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 The next letter is letter M. M. M is for monkey. Now let's proceed to the first letter of my name, which is letter N. The sound of letter N is N. 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 N is for neck. Neck. O. O. The sound of letter O is O. O. O is for ocean. How about the sound of letter P? Do you know what is the sound of letter P? So, the sound of letter P is pa, 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 as in parrot. Pa. What is the sound of letter Q? It is qua, qua, qua. Q as in queen. We are down to the letter R. So, what is the sound of letter R? The sound of letter R is roof. S. So, what is the sound of letter S? Sun and T. What is the sound of letter T? U is uh. U is for uncle. Uncle. The next letter is letter V. V is violin. W. Water. Water. X. Box. Letter Y. As in yellow. Sound of letter Z. It is Z. Z is for zebra. So that's the end of this video, everyone. Let's all keep in mind that learning the sound of each letter will help us pronounce the words correctly, and it is a one way to become a literate person. Again, I'm Nika B. Solitario, and this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching.